followed my video on good debt, bad debt and dangerous debt, I mentioned that your bank actually wants to lend you money. And it's very simple. Banks are businesses. Businesses are there to make money. And the way the bank makes money is it lends money at a higher rate of interest than the money it gets from other people to lend. So if you've got a good plan, the bank will want to lend you the money. So the answer is, if you want to borrow money from a bank, that's fine. Go to the bank with a plan. Banks love it when you have a plan and you organize it and they go, hey, that works. Now, the bank's concerns before they lend money are basically twofold. One, is their money safe? Now, that means collateral. So you get a house loan, a mortgage, and that's secured on your house. The bank has a first charge on your property. If you stop paying them, they will seize your property and sell it. And they will sell it for $1 more than they need to cover their cost. So safety. Now, the reason your debt gets more and more expensive is it's less safe. So banks lending money on your house is considered a lot safer than a bank lending money on your car, for example, which is a lot safer than bank lending money where there's no collateral at all. So you go with a plan and you show how the bank's money is safe. It's a house loan, or it's a car finance. And if it's not so safe, you're going to have to pay extra interest. The second thing a bank really needs to know is, how are you going to pay it? So go to the bank that you actually bank with. They see in your monthly transactions how much goes out in rent and utility bills and costs that you have to spend every month. And then they will see how much income is coming in. And the difference is kind of what you have available to spend on you, or indeed pay the bank loan. And the bigger that number is, the more they're willing to lend. So go to the bank with a plan. Say, look, this is how your money's safe and this is how I'm going to pay every month. Using a bank loan to pay off a credit card, that makes sense because the credit card interest rate is going to be a lot higher than the bank's. Again, the banks want to lend the money. They just have to know you're going to be able to pay it. So if you go and show them that you've got sufficient income to cover all your expenses and pay them, then they're a lot happier. They're more likely to lend you the money. So go to the bank with a plan. And you'll see that there are actually a lot more amenable. Okay, if you want to see more and more of this, please follow us on Valkyrie Simple Finance, where we talk about all these personal finance issues.